All right, here I have this Rheem Value air conditioner that just fired up. It's actually a heat pump. Has a Copeland scroll. I'm guessing it has a Copeland scroll. What it sounds like. I'm not sure what kind of fan motor it has, but I'll put it in the video. And this is from November 2014, and it's 1.5 ton. Now it's working really good. And this thing is very quiet. I'm surprised. Compared to my 2022 Rheem heat pump, which is much louder, and it's about the same size. So, here's the Shutdown. Here's another one. It's off right now. It also has a Copeland scroll. And again, I'll put in the video of what kind of motor this is. But this one looks newer than the last one. And this is from 2014 as well. It's a 13-seer, 1.5 ton. And this was just running, actually. Social line's ice cold. All right, that's gonna be about it.